Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today I'm going to do a couple of unboxings with some little subscription boxes that I get, and they are the Macy's beauty box, and I've started getting the book of the month book again. I had it on I just had it suspended for a few months. There goes the dog again. He just likes to bark. I don't know why. So, yeah, if you are interested in seeing me open up those boxes, then hang on because I am getting right into it. Okay, let us start off with my Book of the Month club. They are, it depends on what book you get. It is, you get one hardback novel a month. It is usually around 17, somewhere between $15 and $20. It's sometimes different. Like I said, I think it depends on the book you get. They give you 6 selections. I always choose the murder mystery book that they have. So, and it's a lot of times like new authors that are up and coming, and so it's always exciting to see that. This month I chose the book The Last Word by Taylor Adams, and you always get a little bookmark to go with your book. So this is the book. It is not as thick. Well, usually they're around 275 to 400 and something pages. This one is a little thinner than usual, but I have lots of books here from the book club, the Book of the Month club, that I haven't read. I have 4 books here at my parents' house. I have read 2 of them, and I'm on my 3rd one. And this will make 5 books that I have here now. Once I get through the 3rd one, I'll probably do like a Mask Monday and do a little book review for you guys if you are interested in that. Let me know if you are or not. But I thought I would go ahead and read you the little synopsis that they have here in the book. Okay, when it said Taylor, I just assumed it was a woman, but it's actually a man. A lot of times they feature women authors, but this time it is a man. And no, I haven't read any of his books, but it says one of his books was released as a Hulu original film called No Exit. Okay, I have heard of that movie. And yeah. So, okay. After posting a negative book review, a woman living in a remote location begins to wonder if the author is a little touchy or very, very dangerous. In this pulse-pounding novel of a psychological suspense and terror from the critically acclaimed author of No Exit and Hairpin Bridge, Emma Carpenter is living in isolation with her golden retriever, Leica, house-sitting an old beachfront home on the rainy Washington coast. Her only human contact is with her enigmatic elderly neighbor, Deke, and via text with the house's owner, Jules. One day she reads a poorly written but gruesome horror novel by the author H.G. Cain and posts a 1-star review that drags her into an online argument with none other than the author himself. Soon after, disturbing incidents start to occur at night. To Emma, this can't be just a coincidence. It was strange enough for this author to bicker with her online about a lousy review. Could he be stalking her too? As Emma digs into Cain's life and work, she learns he has published 16 other novels, all similarly sadistic tales of stalking and murder. But who is he? How did he find her? And what else is he capable of? Displaying his trademark command of a rapid-fire pacing, unnerving atmosphere, and razor-sharp characterization, Taylor Adams once again delivers a diabolically disturbing and deadly game of cat and mouse. Okay, and that's why I picked that one, because it sounded really interesting. So let me know what you think. about that. Is that a book you would be interested in? What kind of books do you like? Let me know. This book does have like this club does have like historical fiction, books like about women, stuff like that. Things like that. Things like that. So I'll put a link to the Book of the Month Club down in the description if you're interested in checking it out. I'm not sponsored or anything. I don't have any kind of discount code or anything like that. Just thought you might like to check it out. Okay. All right, let's get on to the Macy's Beauty Box. Okay, the Macy's Beauty Box is a monthly subscription as well. It comes usually with a bunch of samples, sizes. They give you a little coupon to use online, and it is $5 off your next $20 beauty purchase in store or online till near the end of July for this one. One-time use only. And today it is a box takeover by Sunday Riley. So that's cool. You get a little sheet. It looks like they have kind of streamlined it. Usually it's like a little brochure, but okay, cool. Looks like we got some Sunday Riley is skincare stuff. They usually wrap everything up in a pink tissue paper, which is really cool. So experience instant results with a morning to evening routine for all skin types. Okay, and on the other side it talks about Good Genes, which is like one of their hero products that they like. So let's go ahead and open it up and see all the products. Yes, they are. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, let's see what all the products are. They are all mini sample size products. And we got this thing right here, some little torture device here. Let me open it and take it out. That is what that looks like here. And it has Sunday Riley's name on it. It does not say what it is. That is very interesting. Is this something, I would guess it's something like this, where you put your skincare on and do this to work it in. That's my guess. Anyway, or for you, if anybody has a clue, please let us know. I'm going to do some more research on it later after I finish this video. Okay, first it says, after cleansing the face, apply 2 pumps of the CEO serum. Okay, this is a 15% vitamin C brightening serum, and it says powered by ultra powerful vitamin C. The CEO serum is clinically proven. Let's show you. Clinically proven to provide a 97% increase in the look of skin brightness. And it has a little source down here to where, okay, let's poke myself in the eye with it. That would really brighten my day. Okay, so we have this for the AM routine. Okay, then we have a little sample of the Good Genes, a lactic acid treatment. Then it says follow with 2 pumps of Good Genes to the face and neck. This is, it deeply exfoliates the dull surface of the skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. Cool. A global bestseller for all skin types, Good Genes is clinically proven to plump the look of fine lines, wrinkles in just 3 minutes. So that is what we have there. Awesome. And the next step, apply 2 plumps of autocorrect. I never heard of this product. Autocorrect around the eye area. Eye contour. Okay, that's in French. This firming and plumping. No, autocorrect. Brightening and depuffing eye contour cream. This best-selling eye cream is clinically tested, proven to improve the look of dark circles and puffiness in 15 minutes. Oh, I would really like to test that out for sure. My dark circles under my eyes. And okay, there's two more things. The next thing is for the AM, Massage CEO Afterglow to face, neck, and décolleté. Afterglow. Is this the Afterglow? Did we get an oops card? This is the Afterglow here. Okay. Sorry, I got confused here. Autocorrect. No. I'm sorry. Okay, CEO Afterglow Brightening Vitamin C Gel Cream. Right there, this firming and plumping moisturizer is clinically proven to significantly improve skin brightness and texture in 7 days. I don't know. I don't think this is 7 days worth of cream, but I'm interested in smelling this one. Oh, yellow. Oh, this smells really good. I'm horrible at describing scents. It's not fruity, and it's not flowery. It's not, well, yeah, it is a little florally, but I don't mind florally smells. I like that. So your AM routine is using the CEO Serum, the Good Genes, the Autocorrect, and the CEO Afterglow. Okay, for the PM, after cleansing the face, apply 2 pumps of A+, and that is this little dude right here. High dose retinoid serum. That's what it says on the package. Formulated for fast results with no downtime, this advanced retinol serum is clinically tested and proven to improve the appearance of fine lines and pore size. I don't usually use retinoid serums. I prefer using bakuchiol, really, the plant-derived, version of the retinol, but I'll try this out, but it's not enough to really be able to tell a difference. Sunday Riley is kind of expensive. I don't know if I would pay those kind of prices to get these items, but it's nice to have little samples of them. Follow with 2 pumps of the Good Genes. Where'd it go? Apply 1 to 2 pumps of Autocorrect, and then massage CEO Afterglow to face and neck and décolleté. Okay, and then there is this thing. Again, I don't know if this is something like this, something like this. I don't know. Something like, that's what I would assume it's used for. It's got a little bit of a curve here to make me think it's something you use on your face like that. Inform me if you know down below in the comments. So yeah, leave me a comment down below what you think of these 2 boxes. Do you get the Macy's Beauty Box? Do you get the Book of the Month Club? And all of those wonderful things. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, please. And thank you if you do that, and leave a comment, anything too. engage with this video, push it out to other viewers like yourself, but just watching this video really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, thank you for watching as well. Please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell, setting it to all, so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. So I hope y'all are all having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you are having an especially hard time, know that I am thinking about you. I am sending you out all of those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in another video soon. Just stay well until then, okay? Goodbye.